Hello everyone, this is Kara from Superior Display Group. We Superior specialize in custom display fixture and furniture over 3,000 plus different shop fitting projects in 15 years. So today I'm going to introduce one of our cosmetic shop we just finished in our factory and from our New Caledonia clients. So this is a flower in the entrance, very beautiful design with the logo. We provide logo print and logo made service. If you have brand logo and you need print then in your shop, we can help you do that. This is the flower, very beautiful design, very attractive, and this is the light box with the post. You can put every you preference post in here to strengthen your store image. So follow me. Let's go to the inside. This is a wall cabinet. The upper is the LED lights, and this is the layer board. Bottom with LED lights also. So all the material is painted MDF. You can choose any color you like this white and this pink color as the color theme. And bottom is the cabinet. You can storage a lot of cosmetic products in here. And this is another wall cabinet with round shape design and also concealed LED lights inside. The layer board and the cabinet is also made by painted MDF. Also, the cabinet is same as the last wall cabinet. So follow me. This is a cosmetic gondola with the mirror, and clients can pick up the products to their makeup or decoration in checking this mirror. And there also have acrylic boxes, transport acrylic boxes. It can be movable, adjustable. And below, there also have a straight line design. There also have a drawer with rebound guide rail. Just push it, it will be shown up, and you can storage anything you want in here. And this is another gondola. There have brushed stainless steel, round shape, and this is the acrylic boxes. You can put some lipstick or any cosmetic products in here. And below, there also have a layer board. You can, with LED lights, you can also put any products in here. And this is another gondola, also with transparent acrylic boxes. You can put any skincare products and also the brushed stainless steel. There also have a LED light in the bottom. All the material is made by painted MDF with beautiful pink color. And here is the entire mirror with the pillar. And we also set entire mirror and with LED lights that each customer can check their makeup or their decoration in here with the whole look. So here is the cash counter. You can see there also have a straight line design that will show up everywhere in the shop. This is the cash counter. And inside, there also have an image wall with the logo and LED lights. And here is also another wall cabinet with hooks. You can hang some products like earring or other decoration products in here. Also, upper is light boxes. You can put any post you like in here also. So this is the whole effect of this cosmetic shop space. If you have any need for entire shop design and bulk production for your shop space, please contact us. Thank you. See you next time.